I know, but I did. I wasn't the leader. Man, there's a lot of rap before we get to the first one.
John, does this game look familiar? So there's a gift in there, and he's gonna roll till he hits doubles, and John gets to keep going until he gets doubles. So then once he gets doubles, John has to give him the gift, and he has to hurry up and try to unwrap it. Whoever actually unwraps it at the end gets the gift.
What do you mean by double?
Doubles. Like he's got the dice like 1 and 1, 2 and 2.
Do it on the carpet so it doesn't roll as much.
It's just a matter of who can get to the middle. We did this last year at ours, and Bama is the one who got last year's. But Enos like duct taped it and everything.
That's a double. That's a double. Double. There's only
Somebody must be
Come on, there's a $50 was gift card.
Let's go.
Get the move. Yeah, you got to get a good start.
Derby.
I'm gonna sneak past you, Hunter.
Ethan. Start driving. Derby wheels. They roll. That's what I do.
I knew the first part's going to be
Jackson, no, Jackson.
Come on, roll on me. Oh!
Aw, Dan.
Yeah, I can tell you're into it.
You guys want to go for it? You have to go up and get line. That was zoomed out. Now I want to show you what it is.
Come on, Junior.
This is zoomed
But that would catch air, wouldn't it?
It's a better
Very wise.
Where are they on the storage?
Yeah, just stop the video. So that's the only thing that can
Jackson, no. No, keep going. Leave it.
Jackson.
Do they roll better?
Yes.
Is that how that works?
He knows I'm watching him. He's hiding.
There we go.
How long?
I'm back there.
Soft
You can be lying, you just grab it.
Ooh, sugar.
metal.
It's not going to get in.
Y'all are gonna have a fun night.
Hey, not me.
JJ's like, I'll go to the basement. I am not.
Yes, yes.
I can't do nothing.
Is there any money?
Good job.
Atlee, I think you officially did a very good job. What? Dan.
You guys take so long to put your darn mittens on.
You need to tape them on.
You almost got the little card.
Oh,
Yeah, I got it.
No.
He's gonna got it.
Come on. Close on it.
In the back room, you go back
Yeah, you got candy. Here, here, come.
That's some sticky stuff.
You might get that pen. Texas, you're real fast.
No.
Master, this roll. Aunt Mary.
Nice going, Dan. Interfere with their throwing the
Who's
dice.
going to get the Panda Express?
I think those are loaded dice.
Yes.
Oh,
He got the panic.
Oh, it is.
Made the final five.
Well, so far that you won.
oh, Jackson, careful.
Oh my God! A double! Instantly got it.
Get free gift card.
here, this is for the next person, so we're not waiting on the mittens.
Oh, double.
Unwrap it.
What was Dan's card?
Will you grab my beer off the table there? No, wipe the table with snowflakes. That is not it. It's a Corona.
She said,
No, not yes. I don't know what that other shenanigans is, but negative, Ghost Rider.
You do it, Junior. Get it started for me.
Thank you.
Put the gloves on. I'll let you
pretty much the same. Only he didn't do it like
Oh, it's to be unwrapped.
Yeah, I think that's what he said. I think it's just the same thing, just different shape.
Yes. The first year we did it, they had got, what kind of alcohol was that? Southern Comfort?
Something like that.
And we put it in the box when Enos wrapped it.
That would motivate me so fast.
But they didn't know what was in it. So they were throwing it around, trying to, we were like, guys, don't shake it. And the first thing that Bama does when he picks it up is shake it. I'm like, you're not a good listener. That's not what we said. We said, don't shake
You're
it.
not listening.
I was like, if that breaks, whew, good luck when you open that box.
Yeah, right. I'm wearing nails. I can't even have one.
I feel it. Right?
desk here.
They're too long.
Excuse me, sir.
Sorry.
Log down.
How much?
Call the number.
Man, you guys are slow. Gotta hurry up. 5 minutes, I'll pass.
We could do the Hungry Hippo game.
You a hungry hippo?
Got one. No, you gotta keep going. I got you. You're not gonna bend over. You can keep going. You can keep going.
He didn't want to lose it. I don't blame him.
You can keep going until he rolls a double.
Did you just throw trash on the ground? What is wrong with you? You act like you clean this place or something.
Unravel the whole thing.
Yeah, threw a little bit of trash around. How bad?
Now you're having some issues.
There you go.
Oh, so nice.
Come on, buddy, you got this. Blake, where'd you go? Oh my, hi. What's your son's name so I can stop calling him Blake's son?
Yay!
Good, you got this, Jordan. Ah, you lost it.
You beat the little racer. Jordan's an elite little racer. Think of it that way, you know.
Put gas in your race car.
Well, we don't need gas yet. We need gas for that.
Now let's see what it says.
He didn't fight it. He's one-track minding it right now.
That is not far off in the future.
Yeah.
It's just we're not.
You want to build
quite
gingerbread
there.
house?
Listen, I'll build it if JJ helps me and we do this nails edition.
There you go.
All right. JJ! Where'd you go?
You're building
Helping Maddie with one.
Well, yeah.
You guys might want to all three team up because I think she's helping Maddie with one.
Well, somebody's gonna
make
have
an elite one.
somebody's gonna have to hold the camera.
Maybe
I
get
can't
some
do this one-handed.
green food coloring.
Here you go, Hunter. Try to get that, this, and all of it.
What do you think you're gonna do? Just stand
We're
there
building a, yeah, I'm gonna do nothing, make this gingerbread house and stuff. Are you gonna help me? Be Bob the Builder?
All I'm gonna do is watch and think through it.
They're actual prison things.
Gotta keep going.
Panda something.
Here, you want some dice?
Panda Express, probably.
Do you think you're gonna be groped while you did the camera?
I just was.
Hey, somebody with a knife, open that.
There it is.
I've gotten some.
All right, your job's opening this.
I didn't hear a squeal.
Blake,
Why are you taking my head?
Blake, open that, please.
I need the skizzers out of that drawer.
Ow, that's like.
It's hard as ice. Here you go.
You're gonna need that for this too.
Oh, give that to Blake when you're done. Oh, I'm gonna be blue like a
Why are
slurp.
Dad playing with the little broom?
Oh, there you go. Don't touch your face.
Oh God. Okay, I'll take this. I need that. Oh wow.
It's childproof.
Thank you. It goes in here.
was that big.
Yeah.
Yeah, I thought it was not. It's
Oh,
kinda
can you
pretty.
put it in there for me?
Oh my God.
I know, I ask a lot
You want
of
us to
stuff.
build it for you?
Yeah, if you could, that'd be phenomenal. Hey, John, let's build this gingerbread house for Frozen. And we'll just let it go. Yeah, well, you got double, but you're not.
That sounds more fun. I got air sit there.
Yeah, we can make it nice.
John, put the
Jason's here. Jason's on there.
Yes, gift card.
Then we're gonna glue it together.
All right, that's not the way.
Hold it in your hand, like hot.
There's a big card. Okay.
Oh my God, it's a
Yeah, whatever
tower.
you want to do.
It's not a house, it's a tower.
You guys might need to get some hot water.
I could use one, yeah.
Massage that.
That's what we were.
Annie, you done yet?
I'm gonna stab you with the gingerbread.
You gotta play.
I'm gonna play innocent game.
Okay.
What game is that? Where is it?
That's where the ice is.
The prize is
Hey, you have an Olaf.
I'm in.
It's not that easy here.